Now to an update to a Contact 7 story we brought you back in February. A homeowner says she was forced to take her tenant to court. She says the renter lied to get into the property and refused to get out. Well, now after nearly 4 months, property owner Dr. Jenny Emmett got her day in court and she won.
So she gets a condo back, right? Well, not so fast. Teresa Marchetta explains.
She's targeted 4 properties within a 2-block radius of my house. This will be the 4th eviction from a 2-block radius of my house.
Hi, how are you?
Dr. Jenny Emmett says she never would have rented her Cherry Creek condo to Andrea Bancroft if she'd have known the truth.
So I started to search public records, went to the courthouse, got at least 15 different lawsuits involving her. Criminal and civil offenses.
Emmett started digging after Bancroft moved in and sent a series of threatening emails.
Her application was so suspicious, saying that she made $23,000 a month as a writer who was self-employed.
The management company Emmett hired didn't fact-check that application and told her Bancroft's background check was clean.
And it showed additional infractions, restraining orders that she'd violated, multiple DUIs, at least 4. She was on house arrest for 45 days because she'd been driving without a license after she'd had so many DUIs.
Emmett filed eviction paperwork in January, and this month, a judge agreed Bancroft lied and granted Emmett possession.
We won on the evidence.
But Emmett's attorney isn't celebrating.
This is a very unusual set of facts and a very unique individual.
Jim Stern says Bancroft's attorney is appealing on a technicality, so Bancroft gets to stay in his client's house until that appeal is over.
So if you understand the law and you understand how you can move around in that law, you're able to maneuver in ways that can be very frustrating.
Meantime, the $2,500 a month rent is being held by the court, so Emmett is paying the mortgage on 2 homes, the one she lives in and the one Bancroft refuses to leave. She's already spent tens of thousands of dollars to get her own home back. Bancroft wouldn't talk to us on camera, but her attorney did play our story for the judge in court.
I don't want another property owner to go through this, especially with this same woman.
Bancroft is also seeking damages in a civil suit, which could drag this out even longer. If a tenant is paying their rent, it's not easy to get them out. So if you're checking out a tenant, do a deep dive on their history before they sign the lease. Teresa Marchetta, Denver 7.